Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be guiding you on how to find your Facebook friends on TikTok. It's quite simple and quick, so let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your device. Now on the bottom bar in the left corner of your screen, you can see the option of friend. Click on it. After that, you will land on this page where you can see find option next to Facebook friends. Now click on find option. And a message will appear saying give TikTok access to your Facebook friends list and email. Here you have to tap on OK if you want to give access and move forward. Once you do it, a list of your Facebook friends who have TikTok account will be shown on the screen. Tap the follow button next to a person's name you want to start following on TikTok. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to find your Facebook friends on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.